In this video, I will show you how you can install GCam on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just scroll down a bit and tap on Security and Privacy. From here, just make sure you turn off the toggle for Auto Blocker. And after you turn off Auto Blocker, then tap on More Security Settings. And from here, just scroll down and tap on Install Unknown Apps. Now from here, just ensure that the toggle for Google Chrome or any other browser which you're using is turned on, because basically we will download GCam from the browser. Now after you turn on the toggle for Install Unknown Apps for your browser, then just go to your home screen and open the browser. Then in the search bar, just search this. On this page, just scroll down a bit and open this website. Now from here, just tap on this link over here. Then on this page, just tap on the first link. Tap on download and GCam will start downloading on your phone. Then tap on open and select install. Tap on more details and select install anyway. Then enter your lock screen PIN. Now from here, just tap on open. Select while using the app and select allow. And after you do that, GCam will be downloaded on your Samsung phone. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.